Hi, this is Aki again from Aki's Garage. Welcome to another video. As you can see guys, I got airbag module here. This airbag module is for Fiat 500 2016. I believe the car was in road with accident, so and there is a data crash stored in the memory. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try to disassemble the module and we see if we can repair this module. Yeah, this is the actual part number 520408843. Alright guys, just disassembled the actual module. As you can see, it's got 4 screws, and this is the actual module, and this is the MCU we're gonna work on it. And I'm sure the wiring pinout is just behind the actual airbag module. If I just put the put the airbag module under the microscope, as you can see guys, this is the actual CPU. Yeah, I mean this is the actual MCU number SPC560P50L3. That's the MCU number. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to use the VVDI Pro to just try to read all the information from the MCU, and once we read the information from the MCU, we're gonna try to look for the data crash, and we're gonna clear the data crash. This is a diagram. So I'm gonna do the diagram pinout, and once I do the pinout, I will be back. Alright guys, I done all the wiring diagram. My VVDI connect to the airbag module, and VVDI Pro connect to my laptop. I'm just pointing my camera right here. From here we go to the VVDI Pro, and from here we go to airbag. From here we go to Fiat. It's the Fiat 500, and this is the wiring diagram. So we're going to use the cable MCU, as you can see here, and this is the MCU number SPC560P50. So now we're gonna try to read the D flash. So we're gonna save the file now. I'm just save the file as D flash org. So I'm gonna save the file to my desktop. So that's save. So this is the file. Let me just move that one, and this is our file, just right here. So I'm going to open the file. As you can see guys, this is our file. That's all the information, it's just here. So we're going to concentrate on this file, and we're going to make sure to try to find the data cache, and we clear the data cache. Alright guys, so let me just minimize this. As you can see guys, this is a genuine D flash from the car, and this is the clear D flash. So let me just open my hex editor, and then you will understand better. So this is on my left is a genuine file from the Airbag, and this is a clear file. Let me just compare the file. As you can see guys, here, just right here, you can see this is the actual data cache. So I clear the data cache. As you can see, it's FFF, and also here as well I find data cache here as well. So I done all the editing, everything, yeah, and then it just everywhere. As you can see, you can see that's all the numbers. So I just replace all with the FF. So I clear everything here. So if I just scroll down, you can see it's all the way. And yeah, so what we're going to do now, we're going to go back to the VVDI Pro. So I'm going to open, we go to the desktop. So now I'm going to go to the clean file. Yeah, I think I just no, that one, is it that one? Yeah, this is the actual clear file. I just open this, and now I'm gonna try to write, continue to write. Yes, now it's writing. That's operation successful. So I do want to verify to make sure everything is good with the new file. That's perfect. So what we're going to do, we just close everything, and I just disconnect this and try to take all the wiring out and reassemble everything back, and call to the customer to come to take the airbag module. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope there is some information for someone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for your support. And like always, we do something else on the next video.